Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a secret trick to listen to everything you touch on your Android phone. So this is a secret feature on your Android phone. You can just go to the settings to enable it first. So in the settings in here, you can just click on the search column and type in select as the keyword, and you'll see this feature, select to speak. Click on the options, and by enabling the select to speak, you can tap specific items on your screen to hear them read or describe aloud. So you can use this if you are too lazy, for example, to read an article. You can just use this and let your phone read it for you. So let's click on this to enable the options. Click on allow. Okay, so to use this feature, you can just tap the accessibility button on your screen. Click on get it. And here, this is the explanation on how you can use it. You can start select to speak, and then you can tap a specific item like text or an image. And you can also drag your finger across the screen to select multiple items. And after that, you can tap play to hear everything on screen. You can select text that appears inside the camera view. So let's use it. For example, I'm going to read this. You can just click on this and select the one that you want to read. Then click on play.
How to use select to speak. Start select to speak, then you can tap a specific item,
You can
like
click on
text or an
pause if you
image.
want to. So as you guys can hear, your phone will read the one that you select on your screen for you. If you want to stop it, you can just click on the stop button. So that's how you can use the select to speak feature on your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.